Okay, time to turn it on. Power on. And now, let's fire it up. There we go, at 4,000. Let's run it all the way up. Try hooking the post to it in a little bit here. Works pretty slick. Not too noisy, much quieter than my other one.